This is second grade math lesson 2-5. We are modeling with math. So let's take a look at this. There are 4 tables in a classroom. 3 children sit at each table. How many children are there in all? Draw a picture and write an equation. Remember, an equation is just a math sentence to solve it. So 4 tables in the classroom. So I'm going to draw 4 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. And we're going to put 3 children at each table. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, we need to see how many children we have. We have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I know that 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 will get us to 12. So we have a total of 12 children. Okay? So we have 12 children in the classroom. All right, let's go on to our back page. We're going to read over our comic together and then get ready for our independent practice. Okay, Pat has 3 boxes. Each box has 5 marbles inside. How many marbles does Pat have in all? Use a model to show and solve the problem. So first of all, ask yourself, how can I use a model to show and solve the problem? I can draw an array and write an equation to show how many marbles in all. So what she decided to do is 3 boxes, right? And 5 marbles in each box. So this is a box, this is a box, this is a box. So she kind of did it with rows, and then she added 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or you can do a bar diagram. You know that your total is 15, and then she has 5 in one box, plus 5 gets us up to our total sum. So these are 2 different ways you can draw it. So we're going to try using a bar diagram for a little bit and doing arrays. So let's go to the do you understand show me. Does drawing a picture and writing an equation help you model a problem? Oh my goodness, for me, yes. How does it help? I can see it. I can see the problem. So it helps you answer it. So you can see it rather than just hearing a bunch of words. It's better to draw it out. So let's take a look at this. Ray has 2 bookshelves in his room. So this looks like one bookshelf here and another bookshelf here. He has 5 books on each shelf. So each circle represents a book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many books does he have in all? Well, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or you could do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in another group. And then you can count them up and gets a total of 10. All right, it's time to go on to our independent practice page. You guys know the drill on this. You're going to do this by yourself, and then you can put the video back on and check your answers. Or you're welcome to do it with me. I'm going to go through and read them step by step. Okay? Draw an array or bar diagram to help you solve each problem. Then write an equation. Mika has 4 groups of playing cards. So I'm going to do 4 groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 4 playing cards in each group, so 4 in each group, 4, 4, 4, 4. How many cards does Mika have in all? And you can draw it if you wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just like putting the numbers. How many does she have in all? So we need to add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 more is 12, plus 4 more is 16. Okay? And again, figure out which way you want to do it. If it's easy for you to put it into groups and look for doubles facts, that's helpful also. All right, Anita has 3 packs of baseball cards. I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 packs of baseball cards. 1, 2, 3. If there are 6 cards in each pack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many baseball cards does Anita have in all? So we need to do 6 plus 6 plus 6. Holy cow. Well, I know 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is our total sum. All right, here's our algebra. Algebra is like a math mystery. See, there's question marks. We have to figure out what the question's asking us and how we can solve it. Tina drew this bar diagram to show 2 equal groups that make 18. What are the missing numbers? Okay, so they have to be equal groups, so we know it's going to be a doubles fact. So let's go through our doubles facts. 2 plus 2 is 4. No. 3 plus 3 is 6. No. 4 plus 4 is 8. No. We're trying to get to 18. 5 plus 5 is 10. No. 6 plus 6 is 12. Nope. 7 plus 7 is 14. Nope. 8 plus 8 is 16. Nope. 9 plus 9. Oh. 9 plus 9 is 18. So they are 9 plus 9. So I'm going to do my little bar diagram and put 9 on each side because that is our doubles fact. Whew, that was a good one. We had to really exercise our brain on that one. All right, let's flip it over to the back page and finish this up. Ooh, it's word problems. You guys all know I love word problems. Okay, math practices and problem solving. Ooh, this one looks like it's going to ask us a lot of different questions, so we got to be ready. Window displays. Mr. Miller's hobby shop has 3 window displays. So I'm going to circle 3 window displays. One is for posters, one is for paint cans, and one's for crayon boxes. So we can see this here. Posters, paint cans, crayon boxes. The displays are described at the right. Which display has the least number of items? Woo! All right, what are you asked to find? The display with the least number of items. The display with the least number of items. All right. Now, Mr. Miller said he will add 3 plus 6 to find the total number of posters in the display. Do you agree with his plan? Explain. Well, 3 plus 6. No, because he's trying to figure out the number of posters. It's 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows with 6 in each row. 6, 6, and a third 6. So he needs to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. So do we agree with him? No. Because 3 plus 6 isn't going to really help us out. He's not drawing it out. All right. So number 7, use a model to help you find which display has the least number of items. Be prepared to explain which model you used and why. All right. So we know I'm going to do a P for posters, a PC for paint cans, and a CB for crayon boxes. I know that's a little confusing, but I'm just taking them from here. This will help me. So this is 3 rows of 6 posters. We already did this, so we know that's going to be 18 items, okay? But we need to figure out the paint cans. The paint cans has 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, with 3 paint cans each. 3, 3, 3, and 3. Let's figure this out. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 more is 9, plus 3 more is 12. So there's 12 items in the paint can display. Now crayon boxes is 2 rows. So let's do our 2 rows. 1, 2 rows with 8 in each. 8 and 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So what's our smallest number? 18, 12, or 16? I know it's 12. So it's going to be paint cans. Has the fewest number of items in it. Wow, that was a lot of work. Great job, everybody.